Hello students, I am Simi Sharma. Today I am going to explain human excretory system. See, this is the diagram of human excretory system. There are two kidneys, right kidney and left kidney. Two tubular structure, that is ureter. These tubular structures are opens in urinary bladder, and urinary bladder through sphincter it opens in urethra. Now in detail, the term renal is used for kidney. It is a paired organ. Its shape is bean-shaped structures. It is situated at the upper posterior part of abdominal cavity. It extends from 12th to lumbar 3. Right kidney is situated at the lower level, then left kidney. Its origin is mesodermal and dimension of kidney is 11 into 5 into 3, means length into breadth into height. Its weight is about 150 gram in men and 135 grams in women. Now we discuss the detailed structure of kidney. This is the structure of kidney. It has 3 layers: outer layer, middle layer and innermost layer. Outer layer, it is made up of renal fascia. It is made up of connective tissue. And middle layer, it is made up of adipose tissue. Third one, innermost layer, that is renal capsule. Renal capsule is made up of collagen fibers. What is the function of collagen fibers? Collagen fibers, it strengthens the kidney. Soft tissue of kidney is called renal parenchyma. It is divided into two. Outer one is cortex and inner is medulla. In cortex region, when it invaginates and it forms a column of Brittany. See, these are the columns. 7 to 10 renal pyramids are present in each kidney. And tip of this renal pyramid is known as conical tip. Conical tip opens in minor calyx. 3 or 4 minor calyx, then it forms a major calyx. And this pelvic region, this pelvis, it opens in ureter. Now, ureter. These ureters are tubular structures and it is made up of smooth muscles. It is lined by transitional muscles. These ureter are opens in urinary bladder. The function of urinary bladder is to collect urine. In urinary bladder, there are detrusor muscles. Urinary bladder, 200 ml of urine or exudes in urinary bladder, but in strong reflexes, it is 400 ml. This urinary bladder opens through one sphincter that is known as sphincter muscles, and it opens in urethra. Urethra, it opens out and excretory material gives out of the body.